In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put out of office on Slack if you're going on vacation, taking a sick day, or just stepping away from work for a while. Setting an out of office status in Slack is a simple way to keep expectations clear. It lets your team know you may not reply right away, and it also helps reduce interruptions while you're offline. To fully set this up, you'll update your status, pause notifications, and mark yourself as away. First, open the Slack desktop app or sign in to your workspace using a web browser. Once Slack is open, look to the bottom of the left-hand sidebar and click on your profile picture. From there, click on the field that says Update Your Status. This opens the status window where you can choose a preset option or create your own message. Next, choose the out-of-office status that fits your situation. Slack usually offers a few default options such as vacationing or out sick. If one of those works for you, simply select it. If you want something more specific, click into the What's Your Status box and type a custom message such as, "Oh, returning Monday." After that, click the Clear After drop-down menu and choose the date and time when you expect to return. This is helpful because Slack will automatically remove the status for you at the right time, so you don't have to remember to clear it manually later. Once your status is set, the next step is to pause your inbound notifications. This is especially useful if you don't want your phone or computer buzzing while you're away. Click your profile picture again at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. Then hover over Pause Notifications, and from the side menu, choose Custom. Set the end date and time to match the end of your out-of-office period, then click Save. After that, you should see a small pause badge on your profile picture, which confirms that alerts and push notifications are muted until your return. To finish the setup, click your profile picture one more time and select Set Yourself as Away. Your green active dot will switch to a hollow circle, showing coworkers that you're offline and not currently available. As an extra note, if your team uses Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook with Slack, there's also a calendar sync option that can automatically update your status and pause notifications when you create an out-of-office event. But if you're doing it manually, the method we just covered works perfectly. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.